the nephron and its working. What is a nephron? A nephron is the basic structural and functional unit of the kidney. Each kidney has about 1 million nephrons. The nephron is responsible for filtering blood and forming urine. Parts of the nephron: Bowman's capsule, a cup-like structure that surrounds the glomerulus. Glomerulus, a network of capillaries where blood filtration begins. Proximal convoluted tubule, PCT, the first part of the nephron tubule where reabsorption of water, ions, and nutrients occurs. Loop of Henle, a U-shaped part of the tubule that concentrates the urine. Distal convoluted tubule, DCT, the final part of the tubule that further reabsorbs ions and water. Collecting duct, the tube where the final urine is collected and then passed into the ureter. How does a nephron work? Let's compare the nephron to a water purification system to make it easier to understand. Glomerulus and Bowman's capsule. In the nephron, blood enters the glomerulus and the filtration process begins. Large molecules like proteins and blood cells are retained, while water, salts, and small molecules pass into the Bowman's capsule. Proximal convoluted tubule, cleaning stage 1. In the nephron, the proximal convoluted tubule reabsorbs essential nutrients, water, and salts from the filtrate back into the bloodstream. This ensures that useful substances are not lost in the urine. Loop of Henle, concentration stage. In the loop of Henle, the filtrate is concentrated by reabsorbing more water and salts. This helps in regulating the amount of water and salts in the body. Distal convoluted tubule, cleaning stage 2. In the nephron, the distal convoluted tubule fine-tunes the filtrate by reabsorbing additional ions and water as needed. Collecting duct, storage and disposal. In the nephron, the collecting duct collects the urine formed and channels it to the ureter, from where it goes to the bladder and is eventually excreted. Summary: glomerulus and Bowman's capsule, like a filter trapping large particles. Proximal convoluted tubule, reabsorbs useful substances. Loop of Henle, concentrates the filtrate. Distal convoluted tubule, final adjustments in reabsorption. Collecting duct, collects and channels the final urine. By comparing the nephron to a water purification system, students can visualize how each part of the nephron has a specific role in filtering and purifying the blood to form urine.